Hi, let's discuss polar vortex today. I've taken this file from Drishti IAS. Recently, the United States is grappling with extreme cold with temperature reaching to minus 30 degrees centigrade in cities like Chicago and Dakota. This is caused by a blast of Arctic air, which is a result of a polar vortex event. The polar vortex is a large area of low pressure and cold air surrounding both of the Earth's poles. It was also known as a polar big. The term vortex refers to the counterclockwise flow of air that helps keep the colder air near the poles. It always exists near the poles but weakens in summer and strengthens in winter. However, many times during winter in the northern hemisphere, the polar vortex will expand, sending cold air southward. This occurs fairly regularly during winter time and is often associated with large outbreaks of Arctic air in the United States and portions of Europe and Asia. It is also not a feature that exists at the Earth's surface, rather, it exists tens of thousands of feet up in the atmosphere. By itself, the only danger to humans is the magnitude of how cold temperatures will get when the polar vortex expands, sending Arctic air southward into areas that are not typically that cold. How is it linked to global warming? The global temperature has risen by 0.8 degrees centigrade since 1880. The Arctic has warmed over twice the average. The temperature difference between North Pole and regions like North America has reduced. The energy generated by the jet stream travels upward and disrupts the polar vortex, causing it to split. One of these two child vortices has visited North America this week, causing the record temperatures. Thank you.